EAMTI gifted me this 1.2 carat 925 sterling silver bridal ring set, and I gotta tell you, I am incredibly impressed. The ring itself is a 4-prong and it has the little diamonds all around. Really, really nice. And then you have your simple band as well. Also beautiful. And what I cannot get over is just how good these look on my finger. When I got engaged and married, we were low on funds, but this set that doesn't have any real extra diamonds, it even has a smaller carat diamond, though it's real, is far, far more expensive, whereas this looks amazing, and of course is a fraction of the cost. It is beautiful, it feels really nice, it fits my hand perfectly, and it's just stunning. It's super lightweight, it feels great on my hand, it is very, very well reviewed, and I absolutely love that you can get something that's so incredible, so stunning for a fraction of the price, and that doesn't come with the same ethical challenges and environmental challenges that diamond mining has. So really amazing what's possible nowadays, and EAMTI jewelry really has made some incredible bands. Like, I am actually tempted to wear this instead of my original band because it is so much nicer. It just has that beautiful glitter. It actually feels slightly more comfortable, which is also surprising, and it looks so good. If you are looking for a really lovely wedding band set, even if this is just a stopgap until you can get something else that you think is more worthy of the relationship, I cannot recommend EAMTI enough. These are beautiful. They really drive the message home, and I think you're gonna love them.